Hello guys, good morning. Timbo Cornejo Vlogs here. So today guys, nag-start na tayo mag-impake. Kailangan na talaga naming mag-move out kasi nga, yun nga nangyari. Kami ang nalagay sa alanganin. Wala kami ngayong bahay na malilipatan pa. So but I have to start packing kasi naka-schedule na rin yung bagong tenant na lilipat dito. Wala naman kaming magawa dahil kami rin naman ang nagbigay ng notice na in 1 month mag-move out na kami. Nga lang nagkaroon ng problema. So anyway, what we can do? Kanya-kanya tayong problema sa buhay. Ito lang sa amin talaga, medyo mahirap din kasi. Yun nga. Mag-isa lang ako dito, ako mag-aayos dito habang nagtatrabaho si Shama. Si Shanaya naman, today sana first day of school niya pero tomorrow pa pala ang schedule. So at least good makakapagpahinga siya. So inuuna ko tong bed na to kasi medyo mahirap eh. So ito, yung dryer, madali lang, ang problema lang ito kung kakasya doon sa sasakyan. At ang higit sa lahat, kung saan kami lilipat. Hanggang ngayon wala pa, hindi pa namin alam. May schedule ulit kami tomorrow ng viewing. Pero let's see kung ano mangyayari.
Look, Daddy and Amul Bhai, they will transfer the bed. Single bed. Which was here, now it's gone. And we will transfer some luggage.
Where he is, I can see.
Yeah. You want to see, Daddy? You can see? Amul Mama?
Amul Mama.
Yeah. I will miss this house. Oh dear.
Guys, talagang confirm na ang lipat namin. We're going to move this weekend. Today is already Friday. So talagang ang bilis ng pangyayari. So dahil nga hindi na kami lilipat sa Watford for misunderstanding, which we understand naman. So we try to save this property. So talagang nagmakaawa kami sa landlord pero wala na talaga kasi nga meron na siyang bagong nakuhang tenant, which the new tenant has contract. So they are demanding now because I told to landlord na sana kahit 1 month lang habang naghahanap kami ng property. Kaya lang yung bagong tenant ay humihingi ng compensation. Kasi nga kung mag-stay kami dito ng 1 month, saan lilipat yung bagong tenant? So nahingi siya ng compensation para daw tumira kung saan, o sa hotel o whatever, which is malaking gastos. So kaya kami na lang talaga ang mag-move. Although meron kaming rights pa rin kasi hindi naman basta-basta ganun na lang talaga ang magpaalis sa isang property dahil unang-una wala naman kaming utang dito. We didn't miss any rent but because malaki din ang utang na loob namin sa landlord. Our landlord here is a good man. We really like him. We trust each other, but because in these troubled times we choose to live and don't give him headache. So now look guys, and luckily naman, fortunately, may Shama has relative here and they are welcoming us because you know in these troubled times. And nagwo-worry lang ako kay Shanaya kasi kay-start niya lang ng school this Tuesday and lilipat kami ng ibang town which is malayo dito. So ang plano namin ngayon, every morning and afternoon, I will drop Shanaya here around 11 miles. Like 18 kilometers, 18 to 20 kilometers. Medyo malayo din, siguro mga 30 minutes drive. Kaya lang no choice kasi kung mag-i-stay siya sa bahay, maboboard lang din siya Shanaya, kawawa din. So habang naghahanap kami ng bagong malilipatan doon sa pinsan ni Shama, sa Leighton Buzzard, ng school ni Shanaya, so ganun na magiging routine niya, every day, 5 days. Si Shama naman, yun nga, di magtatrabaho siya. And also, ang plano namin din ay, siyempre, temporary din lang to sa kasin ni Shama kasi ano lang talaga to at temporary. Habang naghahanap kami ng malilipatan, so doon muna kami temporary. mahirap din ang sitwasyon, kaya lang siyempre no choice. And also guys, to sa mga Pilipino na kung meron kayong property na alam na mabilis, kasi since siya came here in the UK August 25, she started viewing all those properties. Talagang napaka-busy ni Shama kahit sa trabaho siya, in between her work, she's asking permission to view that property. But guys, all disapprove, all reject. That's why we're just wasting time. Imagine, Shama have to pay taxi just to view the property, and then they will, some landlord, they don't even inform you that they rejected you. That's why it makes us really upset. You spend time to view their property, but they don't even care to inform you that you will not get this property. You have to call them, and then they will tell you the bad news. That's why it's like, oh, what is this? It's like no immunity. I was very upset this situation. Last time as well, I view just here. The landlord, the owner of the property, gave me the email address, and we emailed them to get the requirements only, to get the requirements to go to the next stage or next step. But they don't even reply. This is how difficult now here. Hopefully we can find a new place. Mas maganda sa Watford na, para talagang mag-settle na kami doon. Kasi kung malayo rin sa Watford, may hirapan din magbiyahe sa Shama. Yun ang aming point, kaya gusto namin sa Watford na. Pero kung wala, anong magagawa namin? Kaya gaya dito sa Dunstable, we choose this, even this is spot, because this is the only place gave us opportunity. That's why we really thankful the landlord here, Kasim. And sorry na lang, we are very sorry for what happened. We gave you some headache as well because of the situation, but because we really upset as well that we have this small child where we have to move. So anyway, we hope we sort this out. We sorted out now. We're going to move to Shama's Kasim. So mag-start na akong mag-move today. So anyway, good naman, meron kaming maliit na sasakyan, so kayang-kaya ko na to. Okay guys, yun lang ang update sa Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Please continue to support us. We really need your support and help. Thank you. Bye bye.